At some point in your life, no matter what, you feel sad, you feel hesitation, and most likely you feel lonely. You may have many reasons for this. In United Kingdom, 60% of 18 to 34-year-old people says they often feel lonely. In United States, 46% of the entire population feels lonely regularly. We are living in a most connected time in human history, but yet an unprecedented number of people feel lonely. Feeling lonely is not same as being alone. If you feel blissful and hating every second to be with others and enjoy being alone, minding your own business calmly. A common study tells that loneliness happens to people who don't know to talk with others and don't know to behave when they are around others. Loneliness can affect everybody. Money, fame, physique, nothing can protect you from loneliness because it is the part of your biology. As hunger makes you think about food, loneliness makes you think about your social profile. Animals also feel lonely. Suppose your dog feels lonely when you don't show love and affection. Not only dogs, but also apes and even dolphins feel loneliness. Getting enough calories, being warm and cold, and carrying offspring can't be achieved being alone. Being together meant survival. Being alone meant death. So being gathered is crucial. For our ancestors, death is not being eaten by a lion, but being alone, yet there are people around us. Loneliness became prominent when humans started to look themselves as individuals by dividing among into leaders, workers, and many more. This division is triggered by the time of industrialization and when people are categorized into different groups. This created a gap between humans to interact with each other and is continuously growing till now. Nowadays, loneliness became chronic, but after all, it's just an individual characteristic. If you think you are lonely, you will be lonely, no matter what people you are surrounded with. Scientists say that loneliness is as dangerous as obesity and as deadly as smoking a pack of cigarettes a day. Our body has a biological system which resists us to do things that cause harm. If loneliness becomes chronic, our brain becomes a center of manipulation. Our brain will lose its capacity of recognition of facial expressions and makes you to think that nobody likes you, and eventually you lose control of your emotions and feel isolated every time. So instead of thinking about loneliness, accept that you are lonely and eventually get rid of things that makes you feel isolated. Remember, there is nothing wrong in feeling lonely because it is an universal phenomena and it's an emotion. But stucking in the loop of emotion is not good. So, whenever you feel lonely, just try a conversation with the person you like or listen to your favorite music. This would make you feel comfortable. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. If you want more videos like this, feel free to subscribe.